Hi everybody. Here's my nature walk today. I'm in an odd place. I'm not really in the forest. I'm kind of on this weird side road, but next to a little river, a little creek, and it's not the most beautiful place, to be honest, but it's something. And I don't know if you heard all that, but there were frogs. And what's funny about these frogs is that I don't know how they can sense somebody walking so far away, but it's like they'll all be chorus singing. And then if I even start walking towards them, it's like they can sense movement or noise. So they'll all stop singing, and then eventually one will start again, and then another, and then they're all, oh, okay, it's safe to start singing again, and then they'll all start singing again. So usually if you wait a second, they'll all start back. Here it goes. Here they go. I just heard one starting. So there must be some standing water over there somewhere, because they're not going to be hanging out in the moving water of the creek. Those are spring peepers, and they're a pretty common common frog in the US, and you'll hear them as soon as evening hits. Right now it's like almost 6 o'clock, and in the mornings, and they can become deafening. I hope you hear them. There's some robins overhead that know I'm here. It's funny when you think about tree branches like veins, and when you think about our own capillary systems, how it's reaching out into the blood, into this aqueous solution to get oxygen out of the blood. And here you see the scaffolding for leaves, where they're gonna reach out into this air solution to eventually get carbon dioxide to bring in. So it's pretty cool. Of course, they also bring in oxygen too for their respiration. But it's just cool how it's the same system. Oh, there's a little bug on my finger. It never wants to focus up close. Anyway, the spring peepers are really going at it. And I thought I heard some more cool birds over here, but it's really just the robins right now. Oh! Behind me was just a squirrel, and I heard a song sparrow. Just a little one. It's like trying to sing. It's funny, in the springtime there, everybody seems to be getting warmed up to sing, and you hear a lot of the males singing these like half songs and start of their songs, and then they're just like not really warmed up yet, and it's really because their testosterone hasn't ramped up yet. And so as you get into the start of spring, their testosterone starts ramping up, and then you get the peak ramping up when they're obviously attracting a mate, which is going to be soon. Right now they're just starting to set up territories and whatnot. I'm clearly having a lot of fun filming the trees. Today was a really sunny day today here, but I'm only outside for the first time right now because I had a bunch of meetings and then I was painting. Our house is a mess because we decided to do some repairs and paint, and so rather than waiting to paint, we want to get that over with so we could put the house back together. So let's see what else I can find. I'm going to pause this for now. I found a little spot overlooking the water, and it's really nice up here. You could really hear the peepers. Looks like there used to be an old railroad going across there or something. These are going to be beech leaves. This is a little beech tree. You can see little spikes. It's very hard to focus. There we go. Oops. Yeah, so it looks like the peepers are hanging out right in there.